In this video, I will be talking about when and how to harvest potatoes.
Hi everyone, my name is Merly and welcome to my Roadside Homestead.
Potatoes are one of America's favorite vegetables. It is a staple food and it is important for a home gardener to know when is the right time to harvest potatoes. You can harvest potatoes when about a third of the potato greenery has started to yellow or die back. Since I planted my potatoes in a raised bed this year and the soil is soft, I use a trowel in digging them. You do have to be careful when digging so you will not chop up the tubers. If you have a garden fork, it is a much better tool for harvesting potatoes. If the stems are strong, you can also pull the plants with your garden gloved hands and pick up the tubers. You can brush off any dirt and store the potatoes indoors in a cool, dark, dry place. You can also wash them and cook right away, just like what I'm going to do today. If you got value from this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching and happy gardening. See you next time!